guess what? The Go Farm Skills Park is finally open as well. How good is that? As you can see behind me, I'm the first one here this morning. The gates came down yesterday. It's actually pretty windy if you couldn't tell. Hopefully got a couple of the boys coming down. We're going to session it out and have a bit of a look anyway. Very least we can have a bit of a look around and see what's here. Let's go. Got our first punter in already. He's keen. How amazing are these jumps? Woohoo! The guys have done a fantastic job building. I don't know whether I'll be hitting any of these today. Well, not the big ones, but yeah, we'll get the small ones a crack. Oh yeah, look at this baby. Nice shark fin. Ew. Nice little gap there. And here's the mulch jump with rake and all. Oh wow, look at that. Soft landing. Ew. Okay, I've had a look around. It looks amazing. There's 4 lines off this top drop in, plus the dirt, plus the mulch jump as well. So 5 lines altogether. Okay, let's have a look at the easy blue option. Nice little roll in. First tail. Ew. Yes. Morning. All right, second blue. Alright, let's try that blue line again. There's a jump in there that seems to send you quite a way, which is not nice in this wind. That's a nice little one. Another one that's sweet. Now this one here. Yeah. That step up is so good. No.
Rolling, man. I'm not jumping.
Yeah, I know. This is the black line. Just having a look-see. Shark fin. Yes. And big. Step up.
I reckon we could do that.
Yeah.
Let's go roll a couple blocks.
Yeah.
Oh. I was like endo down the backside. Let's go.
Alright, mulch jump. Let's do it. Yes. Yeah.
Like a nice, yeah.
Woo. Yeah, Kitt. Ew. Yeah.
Are you going to put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube name?
Ryan Dillon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because this is all done by government funding.
Yep.
They want some photos of like, you know, finished project and all that. So I'm going to be going through everyone's YouTube channels and...
Hang in the air a little bit, just waiting for you.
Yeah, that makes me laugh. Yeah, it looks pretty good, mate. Nice and smooth. So it was dark in the morning and I missed all of this. What have they done? This is amazing. Oh yes. Berms, rock gardens, some sort of gnarly step down. Wow. That is so cool. Oh, step up. Wow. Little step down here. Oh, that's so good. And what the hell is this? Is that a rock in your pants, or are you just happy to see me? Oh, that's sick. Wow.
This is called a dream park.
Yeah.
Dream park.
This is what dreams are made of. Unreal. Boner log. Shit, yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Through the rock garden. Chugga 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 chugga. Oh. Zoop. Gap that. Yo. Oh. Oh no.
Oh, you're cool.
Yeah, I was wanting to see some. I wanted to see some skills. Yeah, boys. You. Oh. Good work. You.